Yo guys, it's of course your boy Alexandrus, and today guys we're back again with another video. Today we will talk about Open Ledger and why this Korean giant skipped Bitcoin and bought Open Ledger, and we are talking about Marblex guys, so it's pretty interesting video to say the least. But before we start with it, as always I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that said, we can dive right into it guys. So remember when MicroStrategy shocked the world by adding Bitcoin to its balance sheet? Or when Tesla bought carbon credits ahead of regulation and Meta loaded up on GPUs long before the AI rush? Well, we are watching something similar unfold, this time in South Korea with crypto. So in 2025, South Korea legalized crypto on corporate balance sheets, and that changed everything. First, firms poured into Bitcoin, then into Ethereum, right? Well, but now the first bold outlier has just arrived, and it's Netmarble's Marblex, which is a publicly listed gaming company with over $2 billion revenue. They made a treasury allocation into Open, guys, the native token of Open Ledger. Yes, sir. That's real. And this wasn't, just a bet on the momentum, right? This was a strategic choice to align it with the infrastructure behind AI-powered economies. So Open Ledger is building a platform where AI models, datasets, and autonomous agents are tokenized, traded, and monetized on-chain, right? And think of it like Uniswap, what Uniswap did for liquidity, right? But for machine intelligence when it comes to Open Ledger. And the token, guys, it's not sitting in obscurity. Open has debuted on 20 plus exchanges, in fact, including Binance, as you guys can see, including Kraken, Upbit. So on day one, it hit a $1.8 billion valuation, in fact. So now here is where it gets real. Open Ledger is buying back its own token using real enterprise revenue, guys, and this is also fully transparent. You can see the buybacks here. So that's a rare pattern. You saw it when Solana ecosystem tokens got absorbed by high utility DeFi protocols, or when Avalanche launched enterprise subnets, or when XRP scored major payment infrastructure wins. But most importantly, this is transparent. It's on chain, guys. Every repurchase of Open is visible, every transaction is logged. It's not just a trade, it's a commitment, and it tells us one thing, that the institutional capital is no longer watching from the sidelines. It's actually acting, and they are not starting with Bitcoin this time, guys. They are starting with something that is number 374 on CoinMarketCap with just $85 million market cap, guys. And the things that they do are quite revolutionary as well, and they've been backed by multiple investors. They raised over millions from leading crypto investors such as Polychain Capital, Borderless Capital, Finality Capital, Hashkey Capital, Hash3, guys, and also other prominent angels such as Sriram Kanan, Balaji Snirvasan, Sandeep, Polygon, Manta, Gitcoin, and all the other stuff. So they are actually backed, and there is quite a bullish pattern here for Open as well. By the way, they've been up 16% in last week. And speaking of all the buybacks, you can see them here, guys. They are happening quite often, and currently there is $15 million worth of Open tokens bought back. And if you want to stay updated with all these buybacks, with all those informations, you can go ahead and check out their Twitter. And as you can see, just 4 hours ago, they tweeted Open buyback initiating soon, targeting milestone is 4 million Open tokens. So currently they want to additionally get 4 million, right? So we are officially starting next phase of our Open buyback powered by enterprise revenue. Next update, early investor buyback based on community voting and community voting for Open holders. You have the wallet here. This is exactly the wallet that I'm showing you here on Etherscan, guys. So Open Ledger really might be the project to watch for in 2025. It is the AI blockchain looting liquidity to monetize data, models, and agents. So it is really something different here, guys. Also, speaking about the Marblex that has made an investment, guys, well, Marblex is the blockchain powerhouse of Korea's $10 billion gaming titan Netmarble, and this Netmarble has acquired this Open token, right? So it doesn't look like a strategic move. This is the first time a publicly traded Korean giant has taken a position in digital assets, and they choose Open Ledger instead of Bitcoin, instead of Ethereum, instead of Solana, you know. So let that sink in, guys. Not Bitcoin, not Ethereum, not stablecoins. They picked Open. Why? Because Open Ledger isn't just another blockchain, guys. It's the AI liquidity layer, the trust engine for data provenance, the rails for the next $1 trillion AI economy. So they aren't just holding a token. Marblex isn't just holding a token. They are buying a front row seat to the future of decentralized intelligence, guys. So honestly, really, this could be pretty huge bullish information here. Me personally, I'm going to acquire some more Open myself. I can see this investment here be something substantial into the whole ecosystem and future of this particular token, guys. And I will make sure to keep you posted with all the new things happening within Open Ledger. If you guys want me to push those updates, just make sure to subscribe to the channel, you know, so you don't miss the further productions. And that's it, guys, for today. I hope that you enjoyed. Let me know what you think about this news, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next videos coming out soon.